All right, welcome class. So this lesson is going to be about subtraction, and just so you're aware, so you guys are all going to be between first and second graders. Now, since we are in special education, this could be a lesson that could be adapted to go for a third grade class or fourth grade class if that's something that's still a topic that is difficult for them to grasp. So this could be something that I would use with maybe a fourth grader or a few fourth graders if that was a difficult concept for them. But that being said, we'll go ahead and start. So welcome class. How is everyone feeling today? Can I get some thumbs up? Thumbs up if you're feeling good. Thumbs down if you're not feeling so good. Sideways if you didn't sleep in as much as you were hoping to.
Oh yeah, always.
Something like that? Okay,
Always.
That's what I thought. Alright, so today class, we are going to learn about subtraction, as you can see up here. And so, the first thing we need to do is we always need to make sure we go over our learning objectives so that we know where we're going, right? Because we need to have our map to be able to get to where we need to go, and that's what the learning objective is for. So, today I want to make sure that all of you students will be able to learn how to subtract single-digit numbers. So, I want everyone to go ahead and read this with me when I point to it. Ready? Students will learn how to subtract single-digit numbers. So what that means, class, is that we're going to learn how to be able to take away different objects. Or learn how to take away objects from other ones and then understand what that means. So, like I was saying with take away, today we're going to, for our language objectives, is we're going to learn the meaning of subtraction, take away, and minus. Because that's something that we all do with the word subtraction. So, for our language objective, everyone, go ahead and read it with me. Students will learn the meaning of subtraction, take away, and minus. So, as you can see up here, the learning objectives and the language objectives are going to be over here. So if we need to refer back to them, then that is something that we can do pretty easily, okay? We're going to keep moving on. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to try to learn a little bit about what subtraction is. So who here has heard of Sesame Street? Raise your hand if you've heard of Sesame Street. Who here likes Sesame Street?
I love it.
I like Sesame Street too. So what we're going to do is we're going to watch a little bit of Sesame Street, and they're going to explain a couple of the words that we just went over, like subtraction, and I want you to listen for takeaway as well, or minus. And now remember, when we have a language objective, or when we have a word that we're looking for throughout the lesson, I want everyone to jump up if you hear the word, okay? So when you hear the word, I want you to jump up like that. So when you're sitting down, you jump up and then you sit back down, okay? Does everyone remember that from our other lessons, how we practice looking for the word that we're learning that day? Does that sound good? Okay.
What word are we looking for?
So we are looking for subtraction, take away, and minus. Because those are the three words that we're learning today. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and watch this video.
Hi, I'm Marty from Sesame Street, and I'm looking for the word on the street. What's the word on the street? Subtraction. What does the word subtraction?
Show me, guys!
Take away from one number.
When you
Take
like have
away!
a group of things, and then you take some of those things away,
Take away!
that's what's left over in that group.
That's subtraction?
Subtraction!
Subtraction. That's the word on the street.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candles! How are you doing? Come close. Watch this.
Oh, Mackenzie.
4. Take away 1.
Oh, take away, jump up!
Leaves 3. 3. Take away
Oh,
1.
jump! Let's take away!
Leaves 2. 2. Take away 1.
Take away!
Leaves 1. It's getting dark in here. Oh well.
Oh, wait, I wanted to go back. What I was going to ask you guys is, when you said takeaway, did you see how the light was turning off? So every time there was 4 lights, and then he said take away 1, and then there was 3 lights. Did you see that? All right, so then we would watch the rest of that video, but we will go ahead and move on just for time's sake right now. So, as you can see, subtraction means to take away. And Hannah, just so you can remember, this is in Danish, so if you need to see it, that way you'll be able to understand what's going on as well, okay? So look for everything below it. You'll be able to read it if you don't understand the words up here, okay? They're the same words, okay? All right. So, but before we move on, can we go ahead and we'll practice again. So, takeaway. So subtraction means takeaway. All right, I want everyone to go ahead and read it with me. Subtraction means to take away. Very good. All right. Now I want you guys to go ahead and read that out loud.
Subtraction means to take away.
Okay, let's go ahead and try that one more time all together. And follow along with my hand, okay?
Subtraction means to take away.
Okay, let's try that one more time. So,
Subtraction means to take away.
Good job, guys. That was awesome. Much better. We're going to keep working on that choral responding, okay? All right. So, first what we're going to do is I'm going to do my turn. So, I'm going to show you how to subtract. So, up here, there's 5 things. So, I'm going to subtract. Or I have 5 things, and then I'm going to subtract 3 things from that, and then we'll find out what it equals, okay? So, I'm going to use my goldfish to help me out, because goldfish always can help me count if I need them.
And they also are delicious.
They are delicious. Who likes goldfish? Raise your hands. You all like goldfish? Yes!
And they even smile at you, teacher.
They do smile at you. Good job, Mackenzie. So typically, I would have an overhead, but obviously ours doesn't work right now. So, but I would use an overhead to be able to make sure that the class could see everything that's going on. But, so I have my 5 goldfish, and now this sign, the minus sign, tells us to take away. So we need to take away 3 goldfish. So I'm going to take away 3 goldfish. And how many do we have left? I'm going to go ahead and count them. All right, everyone to count with me. Ready? 1, 2. So that means we have 2 goldfish left. Very good. So I have 2 goldfish left. So now I'm going to go ahead and, like I said, I was going to use my goldfish. Okay, so now up here we have 5 goldfish, okay? So I want everyone to pull out your papers, and I want you to draw 5 goldfish on yours.
On this?
On the back of it, sorry. On your blank piece of paper. And Mackenzie, you can draw it on the blank piece of paper that you have. All right, thumbs up when you have yours all drawn. Good job. All right, so we have 5 goldfish. And now what we need to do is we need to take away 3 goldfish. So we have 5 goldfish total, and we need to take away 3 of those goldfish, okay? So what I want everyone to do is I want you to put a cross or an X over each goldfish as we take away each one. So we're going to take away 1. So go ahead and put 1 X over a goldfish. Okay, we're going to take away another one. 2. All right. Good job, good job. Okay, now we're going to take away another one. 3. Okay, so we took away 3, correct? Thumbs up if we took away 3. Awesome, good job. All right, so I want you to help me count how many we have left. Ready? 1, 2. How many do we have left, class?
2.
2. Good job. We have 2 goldfish left. You guys are so smart. Look, 2 goldfish. All right. So now we're going to continue doing our turn. So I want you to draw 6 goldfish on your paper now. we'll pass out the goldfish to help us out. So everyone's gonna get 6 goldfish. So once you draw your goldfish, I want you to put your goldfish on top of them. All right, good job. I'm liking the goldfish. These are looking awesome, guys. Oh no, that your goldfish, he needed help. He went to the hospital and he's better. Look, he did. He probably went tanning. That's what happened. All right, so I like all of your drawings. Very good job. Okay, did you put all of your goldfish on top of the ones you drew? Okay.
Teacher,
So-
I don't understand what Hannah's saying to me.
So Hannah is still trying to practice her words. And so what we need to do is, so Hannah is from, do you remember?
She's from Denmark,
Close.
Norway,
No.
England.
She's from Denmark.
Teacher, I was right and you were wrong.
You're right, she's from Denmark. So we need to help Hannah learn English, so we need to make sure that we ask her questions, and if she has questions for us, then we make sure that we help her out.
Okay, teacher, I can do that.
Make sure we do our best. Okay, so now we draw them on the page. We need to take. We're gonna minus. So remember, this is the minus sign that we practiced the other day. So we're gonna minus 1 from 6. So we need to take away 1 goldfish from our 6 goldfish. So everyone, go ahead and take away 1 goldfish from the 6 goldfish. Yep, go ahead and eat it. I want you to eat your goldfish. All right, and then I want you to draw an X where you see the drawn goldfish. All right, go ahead and draw your X. Okay, so now we need to count how many we have left. All right, so I want everyone to count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. How many goldfish do we have left, class? Ready?
5.
5.
We need to work.
Good job, guys. We have 5 left.
Oh, shoot.
That was awesome. All right. So now we're going to go ahead and watch it again. So do you guys see my goldfish? So I have 6 goldfish. So remember, how many did we take away? Ready?
3, 5.
1. You took away 1, right? Okay, so now I'm going to take away 1 goldfish from my 6 goldfish. Whoop. Oh, now I need your help to count how many goldfish I have left. Remember? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. I have 5 goldfish left. So now we're going to go ahead and do your turn. Okay, so I want everyone to draw 3 fish. And then put in your goldfish over them. Good job. All right. Nope, you keep it. So now I want you to take away 1 goldfish. Yep, go ahead and eat your 1 goldfish. All right, now I want you guys to count in your heads, okay? Or count with your whisper voices. How many you have left? All right, ready? Go. Okay, now I'm gonna call on a couple of you to tell me how many goldfish are left. Hey-soon, how many goldfish are left?
2.
Good job, Hey-soon. All right, Hannah, show me how many goldfish you have left. 2. Good job, Hannah. Awesome. All right. So now I'm going to count you guys off. So at this point in the lesson, what we would do is we would separate into 3 activity centers. But this would be something that, since it'd be typically between the 1st grade to 4th grade class, I would actually use parent volunteers to be able to separate the groups, because this wouldn't be an activity, or these activities wouldn't be ones that I would just have the 1st graders run on their own. These would be activities that I would use the parent volunteers for, or I'd make sure that I was with each one of them if that's what I needed.